I don't know if we can make a party in a presidential reference. We can certainly hear you, Mr.
Put them on notice and hear them. My lord, party, they can't be made party. So you can put them on notice and hear them.
Mr. Farooq Naik, on a query, Mr. Farooq Naik states, any children of the late Mr. Bhutto alive?
No, my lord.
Children?
Only one daughter, she lives in London.
Okay. Mr. Farooq Naik informs us that there is only one child left, one daughter of the late Mr. Zulfikar Bhutto still alive, and he has how many grandchildren? 4 other grandchildren. 4 okay, na? Altogether 5.
5, 6.
So altogether 5, 6.
5.
And there are other grandchildren.
Yes.
Full stop. Accordingly, we put Mr. Accordingly, Mr. Farooq Naik may represent
8 grandchildren. 8 grandchildren. 8.
Okay. No, please. 8 altogether, or 7 plus 1, or how many are there, Mr. Farooq?
Myself and my 2 sisters. Myself and my 2 sisters, Farooq.
Altogether 8. Altogether there are 8 grandchildren. Altogether there are 8 grandchildren. Full stop. Mr. Farooq Naik is put on notice to represent Mr. Bilawal Bhutto Zardari, and if any other and if the daughter and any other grandchild of the late Mr. Bhutto wants to be represented, they may engage counsel if they so deem appropriate. Okay, full stop. Learned Attorney General for Pakistan. Another learned Mr. Farooq Naik points out that he had moved another application seeking for live broadcast of these proceedings. However, the committee constituted in this regard had already enabled such live broadcast and recommended that it be so broadcast. And we believe it is being broadcast. I don't know if it's working or not.
It's working.
It's working. Justice Mazhar must have seen to it.
So the credit goes to Justice Mazhar
and
Justice Atharullah. So this application has become infructuous and is disposed of accordingly. Full stop. और कोई application है? अच्छा. We, pursuant to order dated 21st, which was the order appointing
1st April 2011.
Learned Attorney General of Pakistan read out the presidential reference. Learned Attorney General of Pakistan was asked whether the said presidential reference has been withdrawn by any successive president, or if the present president or the government wants to withdraw it, and he stated that the presidential reference was not withdrawn, and the president and the government does not want to withdraw it either. Full stop. He accordingly, we asked him to read the presidential reference, which was read in court, and Learned Attorney General also read the certain other orders passed by this court, which he stated were relevant, particularly order dated, which was the questions?
21st April 2011.
Particularly order dated 21st April 2011, which he states that contain the questions which need to be addressed and answered by this court. Full stop. He has also pointed out order dated In the same order, in the same order, a number of Amaiki were appointed, and amongst those, and a number of whom have passed away. And some are indisposed. However, Mr. Ali Ahmed Kurd, one of the Amicus, is present in court and on our query stated that he will assist the court. Full stop. In view of the fact that the matter before us involves significant and important. There is representation on behalf of Mr. Makhdoom Ali Khan by Associate Counsel, who states that Mr. Makhdoom Ali Khan is also ready to render assistance. Full stop. Since to fill the lacuna left by amicus earlier appointed, it would be appropriate to appoint further amicus, and in this regard, Mr. We consider that the points that require consideration are both constitutional, are first and foremost constitutional, particularly attending to the scope of powers under Article 186, the scope of Article 186 of the Constitution, and the nature of opinion that could be given. Full stop. Which would include the question of maintainability of the presidential reference. Full stop. Having attended this aspect of the matter, if this aspect of the matter is successfully attended to, the question of the
आपको बताएं कि चीफ जस्टिस ने आज के समाअत का हुक्मनामा लिखवाना शुरू कर दिया है। हुक्मनामा इस वक्त लिखवाया जा रहा है। समाअत हुई है और बेंच का समाअत जनवरी तक मुलतवी करने का फैसला। आपको बताएं कि अदालती मावनीन को नोटिस जारी करके जवाब भी लिया जाएगा। हुक्मनामा जो है वो अभी लिखवाया जा रहा है। आज की समाअत के हवाले से हम आपको अपडेट कर रहे हैं। इस समाअत को बराह रास्त नशर किया गया था। बराह रास्त ये कार्रवाई दिखाई गई। सुप्रीम कोर्ट में जुल्फिकार भुट्टो सदारती रेफरेंस की समाअत बराह रास्त नशर की जा रही है। हुक्मनामा इस वक्त लिखवाया जा रहा है।
Criminal cases. Full stop. In this regard, the name of Mr. Justice retired Manzoor Malik was proposed, and none present, and all present supported his appointment as amicus. Accordingly, subject to his consent, Justice retired Manzoor Malik is appointed as amicus, who may elect to either submit, if he agrees to either submit written concise statement
अभी हुक्मनामा इस वक्त आप देख सकते हैं कि लिखवाया जा रहा है। सदारती रेफरेंस पर ये जो समाअत है उसे बराह रास्त नशर किया गया है और समाअत जनवरी तक मुलतवी करने का फैसला किया गया है।
Okay. Full stop. We note that Khwaja Haris was an advocate general and was associated with this case when it was.
तो आज की जो समाज जिसे बराह रास्त नशर